The overall goal of this procedure is to induce a state of acute stress through application of the cold pressor arm wrap. This is accomplished by first removing the cold pressor arm wrap from cold storage and covering it with a protective layer of plastic sheeting. The second step is to test the surface temperature of the cold pressor arm wrap in order to ensure it is within a desired and safe range. Next, the cold pressor arm wrap is fastened to the participant's arm. The final step is to remove the cold pressor arm wrap from the participant's arm after the desired amount of time has passed, or at the participant's request. Ultimately, salivary cortisol and skin conductance data are used to show that cold pressor arm wrap evokes activation of both the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis and sympathetic nervous system.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods such as the traditional cold pressor is that it does not involve the use of actual water, which can pose a danger to sensitive equipment such as MRI. This method can provide researchers interested in studying stress with an effective, easy, and versatile means of inducing stress in the lab. Demonstrating the procedure will be Stephanie and Travis, both graduate students in my laboratory.
To make the cold pressor arm wrap, first use rubber cement to affix 2 to 3 pieces of Velcro to each of two 6 by 12 inch gel packs.